Hello everybody. Today we go to study about the dicot stem. What is dicot? Normally the plants are classified into two types. There is a dicot and monocot. In dicot plants, and it has a two cotyledons in the seeds, and it is a fibrous root system. The leaves are reticulate venations. So many things is present. In monocot stems, it is a taproot systems. Leaves are parallel venations. So they are the difference. They are one cotyledons. Now we go to discuss about the structure of dicot stems. This is the ground plan of dicot stem. We take one sunflower stem and it is go to a cross section. It's look in a microscope. It see like that, and now we go to detailedly explain about the dicot stems. The outer layer of the dicot stem is a epidermis. Epidermis is a single layer, compactly arranged living parenchyma cells. Then outer layer of a epidermis is a layer of cuticle layer. There is a epidermal present in the epidermis. Below the epidermis there is a present cortex. Cortex is classified into three layers. The outer layer is a collenchyma, and the middle layer is a chlorenchyma, and inner layer is a parenchyma. In chlorenchyma, there is a 2 to 5 layers are present. Collenchyma cells are living cells without intercellular space. It gives a mechanical strength to the plant. In chlorenchyma, it is present in the 2 to 3 layer. There is a chloroplast present in the cells. It is also parenchyma cells, oval shaped and with intercellular space. A small intercellular space is present in the collenchyma. Below the chlorenchyma, there is a parenchyma cells. Parenchyma cells is a layer of 4 to 5 layers. It is a round cells. It is a living cells. Round cells and living cells, and then it is a with the intercellular space. Below the parenchyma cells, there is a, you see this colored layer. It is said to be a endodermis. Endodermis is a inner layer of the cortex. Below the endodermis, we see the oval shaped structure is said to be a vascular bundle. In the vascular bundle, at the top there is a sclerenchyma cells. It's said to be a pericycle. It's said to be a pericycle made up of sclerenchyma cells, dead cells. Below the pericycle, you will see that this region, it is a phloem region. The vascular bundle is made up of xylem and phloem. The phloem is blue color and xylem is a pink color in sections. Pink color in sections. In between xylem and phloem, there is a layer of yellow layer. You see that this is a cambium layer. Cambium is used to the plant grow in the secondary stage. In monocot stem, there is a no cambium is present, because that this plant is a very weak. But in dicot plant, the plant is a annual plant and it is very strong plant. Due to the presence of cambium, the cambium involve the secondary growth. It present between the, in vascular bundle, the cambium present between the xylem and phloem is said to be a open vascular bundle. If the cambium is absent, the vascular bundle is said to be a closed vascular bundles. Then in xylem, the xylem is classified into two types, and protoxylem and metaxylem. The protoxylem is a small sized xylem and metaxylem is a large sized xylem. The protoxylem face toward the center. The vascular bundle is said to be a end arch. If the protoxylem face toward the outer side, it's said to be a end arch. There is a between two vascular between centers. This cell is said to be a medullary race, and then the medullary race at the secondary growth, it also transform into a medullary vascular cambium, and then this area is also used go to divided into secondary growth. This layer is a pith. Pith is a center. In dicot stem the pith is large. In monocot stem there is no absence of pith. The pith is a parenchyma cells and living cells, or there is a intercellular space is present. Now you are understand about the dicot stem. Thank you.